Hey everyone, Thomas here from the customer success team at Real Green. We wanted to show you a quick clip of a great new feature included in the latest update to our mobile live application. We have added the capability to email select invoice forms to customers on the spot through mobile live. To do this, just tap on your job and open it up as you typically would, confirm, and then go ahead and start the timers if you haven't already. Fill out your invoice as usual with all key information such as products, condition codes, any weather information, and feedback notes to your customer. Then to email it out, simply open the drawer on the left side of your production screen using the icon on the top left of the screen. And within the drawer, you'll see a new option in your list of final tasks labeled Email. Go ahead and click Email. This will bring up your preferred email that's set up on that device. Remember that each device should be set up using the business email so that they're all coming from one such as info@companyname.com. And then go ahead, back out. After you send that out, complete the job as you typically would, and it's on to the next one. Thanks, everyone.